So, what is good, people? Me and Beth are currently on our way to Milano, and we are heading to one of the world's biggest motorbike events. So we're heading down. We've been up since like 1 o'clock. Eager beavers to get to the airport as always. So yeah, flight is at 7 o'clock. It's now 6 o'clock. Heading to the gate, and then yeah, see you on the other side. Plane now, and now heading to the train, from the plane to the train, getting the train straight to the hotel, and then drop our bags off, get changed quick, and then head over to EICMA. I don't know if it's EICMA or EICMA, someone needs to let me know this. So yeah, gonna head over to there, get day one started. Let's go. So, we finally fucking made it. Turns out, I made an absolute cock up, and I didn't pay attention to where the actual exhibition was. So when I was looking for hotels, I just searched EICMA, which then obviously showed me where their office was, but on Google Maps, it looked like a huge place. So I was assuming that's obviously where it is. So we booked a hotel right next to that place in Milan, tried to find it, and then obviously the guy was like, no, you're in the office, mate. So we're like, fuck. So now we just had to hop on a subway for about 40 minutes, 50 minutes to finally get it. And there's loads of bikes. So we're pretty certain now we're in the right fucking place. So anyway, on to the show.
Yeah, I'm watching the rise, and I wouldn't say I'm shocked, cause I'm hardly surprised. This one's for the ride, this one's for who knew I'd make it, just needed some time. This one's for my wife, could've left 1,000 times just to by my side. This one's for the grind, I knew it would happen, just had the strength in my mind. To the videos, they thought I was a black guy. That's hard to get over. I'm foreigner in the sport, but I'm fully devoted. I don't take it for granted that the door's been open. I knew I was different, I knew I was chosen. A breadwinner, but I'm soft-spoken. Authentic like a 5950, and there's no cap. Let's have a toast to that. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Let's have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the They done baptized the bad guy. Still don't follow religion. The fabric's not average. The cotton's Egyptian. 500 for the shoes.
So we're finally inside EICMA, and my god, this place is fucking huge. It's so easy to get lost in it. I don't even know where to look, but there's just so much stuff everywhere. But me and Beth's game at the moment is to to find as many Harleys as we can. So far, we already found one, and now this one. So that makes two. Even the Harley stall that is here doesn't even have a Harley on the stall. I mean, what's that about? Come on. So yeah, we're on the little hunt for some more Harleys and try and meet up with some people that we know. But this place is massive. It's going to take days to get around this whole place. But you know, we're here, we're enjoying it. So let's get this party started.
Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real. Let's have a toast for the real ones. Have a toast for the real.
So we've just come across Mutt motorcycles, and for what these bikes are, they are wicked little weapons. They're 125 up to 250, but they have just told me they're looking to branch into 400s and 600s. So it's almost like an introductory bike before jumping on a Harley. There's a few dealerships that do support Harleys, that support Mutt motorcycles as well. And I just gotta say, these feel like absolute little beasts. Like, I'd love to take one of these out with a little bit of sun on it and have a little grip off-road. The whole blackout look is just so sleek, and like, there's nothing more you want from just a little bike. It's insane, but I love it. Had a good old chat with the guys and girls up at Mutt Motorcycles, which has been quite fun to see different bikes that I wouldn't usually go for. But then saying that, my first Harley Davidson was the Street Rod, which is very much similar to that style, which is probably why I have a good connection with it. And now we're just on a hunt. I didn't realise that there's like 4 or 5 different halls with like ridiculous amounts of stalls in each hall, so it's an absolute maze. So we're just having a mooch and seeing what we can see, and then what we can't find, we'll find tomorrow. Right, day 2. So didn't really wrap it up yesterday. We got chatting to Jason, who was one of the Bagger Race mechanics, and he was talking us through the bike. It was awesome. Woke up this morning feeling pretty rough, as you can probably hear. So heading over to the subway now, heading back over to EICMA's exhibition. And yeah, let's get this day started. How you feeling, Beth?
Buzzing. Where's the espresso?
Where's the 17 coffees? So yeah, on to the subs we go. So that is it, we are heading out now. We've just finished up at the Pando stall, so it's great to meet them guys again and hang out today. So now we are going to head back to our hotel in the centre of Milan. So yeah, we're going to head back there, get some food, get some sleep more importantly, and then a nice early flight tomorrow. But yeah, so to wrap this place up, it has been insane. It's been so busy today, like it was just swarmed with people, 10 times more than there was yesterday, so it was a bit chaotic at times. But yeah, all good fun. We're heading over to Motorcycle Live in Birmingham in the NEC in 2 weeks time, so that's also going to be super fun, so stay tuned for that one. But for now, get me home. Peace.